System Design Interview Practice Questions, Set 7. Question 1. What is the primary goal of system scalability? A. Increase system complexity. B. Handle increasing amounts of load or traffic. C. Decrease response times. D. Optimize database queries. The correct answer is B. Handle increasing amounts of load or traffic. Scalability ensures the system can handle growing loads without performance degradation. Question 2. Which of these describes an eventual consistency model? A. Data is consistent across all nodes immediately. B. Data becomes consistent across nodes over time. C. Data is never consistent. D. All nodes have consistent data at all times. The correct answer is B. Data becomes consistent across nodes over time. Eventual consistency allows temporary inconsistency, ensuring consistency over time. Question 3. Which of these is a key feature of a content delivery network? A. Provides security for APIs. B. Caches content closer to end users to reduce latency. C. Improves database performance. D. Aggregates services across multiple data centers. The correct answer is B. Caches content closer to end users to reduce latency. A CDN reduces latency by caching static content at locations closer to users. Question 4. What is the main benefit of using a distributed database? A. Improved query speed. B. Increased fault tolerance and availability. C. Simplified data access. D. Reduced system complexity. The correct answer is B. Increased fault tolerance and availability. Distributed databases provide redundancy and fault tolerance by spreading data across multiple servers. Question 5. What is the purpose of a cache in a system design? A. Store data for backup purposes. B. Improve system availability. C. Store frequently accessed data to reduce retrieval time. D. Store user login credentials. The correct answer is C. Store frequently accessed data to reduce retrieval time. Caching reduces latency by storing frequently requested data in faster access memory. Question 6. Which of these describes the main function of a message broker? A. Monitor API traffic. B. Control service communication and message routing. C. Store data across multiple services. D. Scale microservices independently. The correct answer is B. Control service communication and message routing. Message brokers route messages between different services in a decoupled system. Question 7. What is the main purpose of a reverse proxy in a system? A. To authenticate users. B. To handle data storage. C. To forward client requests to appropriate backend servers. D. To monitor server health. The correct answer is C. To forward client requests to appropriate backend servers. A reverse proxy forwards requests to the correct server, often for load balancing or caching. Question 8. What is sharding in the context of database management? A. Partitioning data across multiple servers. B. Encrypting data for security. C. Indexing data for faster retrieval. D. Consolidating multiple databases into a single unit. The correct answer is A. Partitioning data across multiple servers. Sharding divides large datasets into smaller chunks for distribution across multiple servers. Question 9. What is the role of a service registry in microservices? A. To monitor service performance. B. To provide a centralized location for service discovery. C. To store application configurations. D. To secure communication between services. The correct answer is B. To provide a centralized location for service discovery. A service registry stores service metadata and helps other services discover them. Question 10. Which of the following is used to scale a database horizontally? A. Sharding. B. Replication. C. Partitioning. D. Indexing. The correct answer is A. Sharding. Sharding splits large datasets into smaller, manageable pieces, distributing them across multiple servers. Question 11. What does horizontal scaling involve? A. Increasing the capacity of individual servers. B. Adding more servers to the pool. C. Increasing storage capacity. D. Improving CPU performance. The correct answer is B. Adding more servers to the pool. Horizontal scaling involves adding more machines to handle increased load, unlike vertical scaling. Question 12. Which database type is typically used for hierarchical data storage? A. Relational. B. Graph. C. Key value. D. Document. The correct answer is B. Graph. Graph databases are ideal for storing and querying hierarchical or networked data. Question 13. What is a primary advantage of a microservices architecture? A. Increased system complexity. B. Independent scaling of services. C. Easier deployment. D. Centralized management. The correct answer is B. Independent scaling of services. Microservices allow each service to scale independently based on demand, improving resource efficiency. Question 14. Which tool is often used to monitor microservices-based applications? A. Prometheus. B. Docker Compose. C. MySQL Workbench. D. Oz CloudWatch. The correct answer is A. Prometheus. Prometheus is widely used to monitor microservices-based applications by collecting and querying metrics. Question 15. What is the function of a database transaction? A. Maintain data consistency. B. Store data in a cache. C. Perform data sharding. D. Backup data to a secondary server. The correct answer is A. Maintain data consistency. Transactions ensure that a sequence of database operations is executed atomically, maintaining consistency. Question 16. What is load balancing used for in cloud systems? A. To store backup data. B. To distribute incoming traffic across multiple servers. C. To cache frequently requested data. D. To optimize database queries. The correct answer is B. To distribute incoming traffic across multiple servers. Load balancing ensures that traffic is evenly distributed to prevent any single server from being overwhelmed. Question 17. Which of the following is typically used for data synchronization between microservices? A. Event-driven communication. B. Database replication. C. Service discovery. D. Message queues. The correct answer is D. Message queues. Message queues enable asynchronous communication and data synchronization between services. Question 18. What is vertical scaling? A. Adding more servers to a system. B. Increasing the power of existing servers. C. Increasing storage capacity. D. Adding more databases. The correct answer is B. Increasing the power of existing servers. Vertical scaling involves upgrading existing hardware, such as adding more CPU or memory. Question 19. What is the role of an API gateway? A. Forward client requests to backend services. B. Cache data for faster access. C. Monitor application health. D. Store service configurations. The correct answer is A. Forward client requests to backend services. An API gateway handles requests from clients and routes them to appropriate backend services. Question 20. What is data replication in distributed databases? A. Storing data in multiple locations for fault tolerance. B. Encrypting data before storing. C. Partitioning data across multiple servers. D. Indexing data for faster access. The correct answer is A. Storing data in multiple locations for fault tolerance. Data replication ensures data availability and durability by copying it across multiple servers.